StudyMode.com.
Okay, we are continuing exercise 13.2 on surface areas and volume. Question number 4. Exercise 13.2, question number 4. The question is, a pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter and the depth is 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. Here is the problem concerning a pen stand. It is in the shape of a cuboid which has dimensions 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter means length, breadth and height are given. The radius of each depression is 0.5 centimeter and depth is 1.4 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of wood in the entire stand. That means here it is a stand in the shape of a cuboid. A stand in the shape of a cuboid and there are radius of each depression. There are 4 conical depressions. There are 4 conical depressions like this. 4 conical depressions like this to hold the pens. So, we are given the length, breadth and height of the cuboid. Cuboid, it is given length is equal to 15 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and height h is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So we can calculate the volume of the cuboid and for the cone radius r is equal to radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeter and height. Depth means height, it is 1.4 centimeter. These are the measures given in the question. So, first of all, we are finding the volume of the cuboid. Volume of cuboid. The volume of cuboid, formula for finding the volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L into B into H. This is equal to 15 into 10 into 3.5 centimeter cube. This is equal to 15 into multiplying 3.5 with 10, it will be 35 centimeter cube. This is equal to multiplying 35 by 15, 35 into 15. It is 525 centimeter cube. 525 centimeter cube. Now, we are going to find out the volume of conical depression. Volume of one conical depression. Volume of one conical depression is equal to, formula for finding the volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Giving the values, it is 1 by 3 into pi, it is 22 by 7 into r square. Radius r is given to be 0.5, we can write it as 1 by 2. So, it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into h. H here it is given as 1.4 centimeter, we can write it as 14 by 10. 1.4 is in the decimal form, we are converting it into the fractional form 14 by 10. 14 by 10 centimeter cube. Now, this 7 and 14 get cancelled 2 and 2 get cancelled. Now it is 22 divided by 3 into 2, 6 into 10, 60, 22 by 60 means 11 by 30 centimeter cube. This is the volume of one conical depression. There are 4 conical depressions. Therefore, we have to find out the volume of 4 conical depressions. Volume of 4 conical depressions is equal to 4 into 11 by 30. Cancelling 2 and 15. This is equal to 22 by 15 centimeter cube. So dividing 22 by 15. It is 1.466. We can simply write it as 1.47. 6 is continuing centimeter cube, that is equal to 1.47 centimeter cube. Therefore, we have to subtract the volume of conical depression from the volume of the cuboid. Therefore, volume of wood in the pen stand is equal to 525 minus 1.47. It is 523.53 centimeter cube is the volume of wood in the pen stand. We are getting the volume of wood in the pen stand to be 523.53 centimeter cube. The method we are adopting here is, first of all, we are finding the total volume of the cuboid, means L into B into H. The three dimensions are given in the question. Length, breadth and height are given in the question. So we are finding the total volume of cuboid. Then we are finding the volume of three conical depressions, means volume of four cones. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Multiplying it by 4, we are getting the volume of 4 conical depressions. Then subtracting the volume of 4 conical depressions from the total volume of the cuboid, we are getting the volume of wood in the pen stand. This is the method we are adopting in this problem. First of all, finding the total volume, then find the volume of 4 conical depressions, then minus this volume of 4 conical depressions from the total volume of the cuboid. Then we are getting the volume of wood used in the pen stand. This is the method. It's an important question. So please note it and study very well. Okay.